I just want to thank you for investing in the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. You didn't just buy a course, you took a powerful step toward building a compliant, profitable, and professional fire alarm business. Whether you're just getting started or you're scaling up, this blueprint will give you the exact steps to start your business from the ground up the right way. From business formation to licensing to getting insurance, securing vendors, online marketing, minority certification, and also how to get funding within your business. And it's all here laid out step by step. But here's where it gets even better. Make sure you join our free Fire Alarm Business Blueprint Facebook group or our private Fire Alarm Expert community group. There you will get bonus content that's not found anywhere on the course or online, free giveaways and tools to help you grow faster, and direct access to industry pros along with community support. We're building a powerful network of fire alarm professionals, and we want you to be a part of it. So again, welcome aboard, and let's build something great together. And I'll see you inside the course, and I'll definitely see you inside the group.